Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is speaking. Let's take a listen.
ढांचे का पुनर्निर्माण कभी होना ही नहीं। जो कयामत के दिन आने का सपना देख रहे हैं, ऐसे ही सड़गल जाएंगे, कभी वो दिन आने वाला नहीं है। और उनके सपनों को ऐसे ही हम अपनी विरासत को सम्मान देते हुए भारत की गौरवशाली परंपरा को, सनातन धर्म की इस परंपरा को, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 25 नवंबर को अयोध्या धाम में आकर के सनातन के प्रतीक श्री राम मंदिर में भव्य केसरिया ध्वज का आरोहण किया था। ये केसरिया ध्वज हमेशा ही भारत के इस गौरव को, सनातन के इस गौरव को आगे बढ़ाने का कार्य इसी मजबूती के साथ करेगा। ये डबल इंजन की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके मार्गदर्शन में जो बोलती है वह करके दिखाती है, और जितना करती है उतना ही बोलती है। हम लोगों ने कहा था ना।
So Samarth Srivastava for more details on that story. Samarth is joining us live. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister making it very clear that there will be no Babri 2.0. Of course, the controversy has been generated when comments were made about Babri 2.0, particularly Humayun Kabir. The TMC has made these comments. Here, he's setting the record straight. The CM is setting the record straight. Samarth.
Well, exactly. CM Yogi Adityanath has given a stern statement about this particular thing, about the entire controversy regarding this Babri. We saw how the Hindu outfits started protesting, and they even claimed that they'll be moving across Bengal, especially that Murshidabad area where Humayun Kabir, the suspended TMC MLA, has said that he'll be constructing the new Babri, not in Ayodhya but in Murshidabad. And now, after in a way, we saw that particular protest happening by the Hindu outfits. Now CM Yogi Adityanath has said that whosoever is seeing a thought or dream of reconstructing this Babri mosque must understand that that day will never come. That day will be the end of this earth. He clearly says in Hindi that he used the term Kayamat tak, wo din nahi aayega. So that's what CM Yogi Adityanath has clearly said about those who are planning the reconstruction of Babri, might be not in Ayodhya but in some other place like Bengal, in Murshidabad. So that's what CM Yogi Adityanath is clearly saying here, without naming any TMC suspended MLA, without naming any political party. He clearly targets those who are planning to ensure the reconstruction of Babri mosque. See this statement coming hours after the protest happening across Uttar Pradesh by Vishwa Hindu Raksha Parishad. So that's a big thing coming in from Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, where he clearly says that Sanatan Dharma teaches us to remain united, to remain in peace. But there are some people, some elements who always try to divide us, and those elements will be dealt strictly under the Yogi government. So that's what the message from CM Yogi Adityanath from Barabanki of Uttar Pradesh. Back to you.
Babri won't be rebuilt till eternity is what he said. Of course, the statements were made, in fact, in UP, but originally started in West Bengal. Like you said, Samarth, earlier, I'm coming back to you in a moment from now, listening to what the Chief Minister said.
भारत की गौरवशाली परंपरा को, सनातन धर्म की इस परंपरा को, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 25 नवंबर को अयोध्या धाम में आकर के सनातन के प्रतीक श्री राम मंदिर में भव्य केसरिया ध्वज का आरोहण किया था। ये केसरिया ध्वज हमेशा ही भारत के इस गौरव को, सनातन के इस गौरव को आगे बढ़ाने का कार्य इसी मजबूती के साथ करेगा। ये डबल इंजन की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके मार्गदर्शन में जो बोलती है वह करके दिखाती है, और जितना करती है उतना ही बोलती है। हम लोगों ने कहा था ना कि रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बन गया ना, मंदिर अयोध्या में। कोई संदेह है? कोई संदेह है? और हम आज फिर इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि कयामत के दिन तक भी कभी कयामत का दिन तो कभी आना ही नहीं है और इसलिए बाबरी ढांचे का पुनर्निर्माण कभी होना ही नहीं है।
Of course, these statements from the Chief Minister, and to begin with, from Humayun Kabir, obviously has the potential to polarize Samar these elections in the state of Bengal, which are just around the corner, isn't it?
Well, exactly. The statement coming from that particular man from TMC, Humayun, and he clearly says he wants to divert the things, especially in favor of him with elections blocking the door in Bengal. But here, CM Yogi Adityanath clearly targets Samajwadi Party as well and clearly says in his speech that earlier we saw how riot-like situation happened in the state of Uttar Pradesh, how one particular community tried to, in a way, dominate the majority people in Uttar Pradesh. So he clearly takes a jibe at Samajwadi Party, and by mentioning this particular thing that the dream will remain a dream till eternity to reconstruct Babri, he clearly gives another, in a way, statement in terms of UP election as well, that Yogi Adityanath, the way from day one he's working, has continued his work here in the same line. So this Hindutva model of BJP with this particular statement by Yogi Adityanath strengthens to another level at a time when we are seeing this Babri thing again reigniting the Indian politics, especially in West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, because we see in Bengal the elections are knocking the doors, while on the other hand, UP is also going to see elections in 1.5 years. So the statement from Yogi Adityanath is massive coming from here. Now it's going to be worth seeing how the opposition parties react to this particular statement of Yogi Adityanath at a time when Hindu outfits are angry over this particular statement by the TMC leader Humayun in Bengal. It's going to be worth seeing how things turn up in the politics of Uttar Pradesh here. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Samar Srivastava getting in those details. The Chief Minister setting the record straight as far as this argument of a Babri 2.0 is concerned. He says it will never happen.